Inorganic chemistry, class 12th, first chapter, Haloalkane. First of all, discuss about the what is haloalkane. The replacement of the hydrogen atom from the aliphatic hydrocarbon by the halogen atom form the haloalkane. It is clear that by the chemical reactions, suppose that RH is a aliphatic hydrocarbon and halogen X2. X2 X means then is kept out haloalkane plus H. R X represent the capital R represent the alkyl group. It means that R equal to CH3 or C2H5. X represent the capital X, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. It means that halogen group element. If we focus the again a definition of the haloalkane, we find that the replacement of the hydrogen atom by the halogen, the replacement of the hydrogen atom from the aliphatic hydrocarbon by the halogen atom then gives out haloalkane and subproduct hydrogen halide. This is product is known as alkyl halide. And subproduct known as hydrogen halide. Halide represent the general. Halide means capital X represent the halogen group element fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. One bit detail about the haloalkane or alkyl halide, then we find that it's classified on the basis of the attachment of the primary, secondary, tertiary carbon atom. Classification of haloalkane. When the study about the hydrocarbon, then we find that primary carbon. This is a primary carbon because of the single carbon attached the single alkyl group. in primary carbon. When we attach the halogen atom to the primary carbon, this is known as primary haloalkane. Primary haloalkane. Second, when the halogen atom attached to the secondary carbon, then it is called secondary haloalkane. Suppose that C attached to the double alkyl group. Secondary carbon. Then it is called, when the halogen atom attached to the secondary carbon, then it is called secondary haloalkane. Then third, when the halogen atom attached to the tertiary carbon atom, then it is called tertiary haloalkane. In tertiary haloalkane, carbon attached to the three different alkyl groups. This carbon is known as tertiary carbon. And this compound is known as tertiary haloalkane. When we again classify the haloalkane on the basis of the attachment of the carbon atom to the double bonded carbon atom, directly or indirectly attachment. First, allylic haloalkane. In this haloalkane, if we draw the chemical formula, allylic This compound is known as allylic hydrocarbon. When we study the allylic haloalkane, then we find that when the halogen atom attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which carbon atom is attached adjacent to the double bonded carbon atom. Allylic haloalkane is formed by the process of the when the halogen atom is attached sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is attached to the adjacent double bonded containing carbon atom. This haloalkane is known as allylic haloalkane. First, but in case of second, vinylic. In this haloalkane, halogen atom is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This when the halogen atom attached to the directly when the halogen atom attached to the directly double bonded carbon atom and double bonded carbon atom which is attached the halogen atom is sp2 hybridized, then it is called vinylic haloalkane. In both the compound allylic haloalkane and vinylic haloalkane, we carefully identify the in allylic haloalkane, halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is adjacent to the double bonded carbon atom which is adjacent attached to the double bonded carbon atom. But in case of vinylic haloalkane, halogen atom is directly attached to the double bonded containing carbon atom and double bonded carbon atom which have hybridization sp2 hybridized. Then it is called vinylic haloalkane. Again, then we focus that preparation of haloalkane. Preparation of haloalkane. Haloalkane first of all prepared from the First of all, alcohol react with hydrochloric acid in the presence of ZnCl2 catalyst are results to form haloalkane and H2O. This compound is known as alcohol, hydrochloric acid, alkyl, main product known as alkyl halide. And subproduct form in the form of water. First A. Again, second preparation, form the alcohol R and OH. OH function group is alcoholic group plus